Hi all, today we will learn about uniq command, uniq, uniq. Okay, so first we will create a file which having the same line content. Okay, so file 1 a b b and x z z r r t t and t t. This is the content. Control D. I am reading this file 1. Okay, now we'll run uniq uniq file name. So C is showing A only one time, BB all the character one time. So here we have A twice, BB thrice, and this Z and TT again twice. So this will show the unique data only in this file. If you want to see uniq -d file name, this will show only duplicate line. So these characters are duplicate in this file. Okay, uniq -d for duplicate and uniq -D and a file name. This will show all the duplicate entry only. It's not showing RR and ZZ here. It's showing these are the line which are duplicate. Okay, so these are the duplicate and all the duplicate line. If you want to see how many counts are there for this duplicate, see A twice, BB thrice, Z 1 RR or T twice. Okay, in this manner you can unique a file. You can see the unique. What are the file unique will not show you repeated entry of any content in this file. So using a unique command you can see only the unique file, unique lines. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video.